Hello students, I am Professor G. N. Moite, Sadhguru College of Agriculture, Mirasgaon. In this lecture, we are going to see about Seed Act and enforcement, duty and powers of seed inspector, offences and penalties, and seed Control Order 1983. Firstly, we will see about the Indian Seed Act 1966. On 29th December 1966, the Seed Act was passed. It came into force throughout the country on 2nd October 1969 in all the states and minor territories. The Seed Act was amended on September 9, 1972. Under compulsory labeling, anyone selling the seed of notified kind variety in the region for which it has been notified must ensure that the seed conforms to the prescribed limit of germination and purity. The seed container is labeled in the prescribed manner. The label truly represents the quality seed in the container. Then the main features of the Seed Act 1966. First one is applicability, then second one is sanctioning legislation, and third one is regulatory legislations. As per Seed Act 1966, seed includes seed of food crops including edible oils and seeds of fruit and vegetables, cotton seeds, seeds of cattle fodder, jute seeds, seedlings, tubers, bulbs, rhizomes, roots, cuttings, all types of grafts and other vegetative propagated material for food crops or cattle fodder. Then some statutory bodies and agencies established in India under Seed Act 1966. Central Seed Committee, Central Seed Certification Board, State Seed Certification Agency, Central Seed Testing Laboratory, State Seed Testing Laboratory, Appellate Authority, recognition of Seed Certification Agency of foreign countries. These are the statutory bodies and agencies established in India. Then enforcement of the Seed Act. Under the Seed Law Enforcement Program, the seed offered for sale are subjected to the sample by a seed inspector appointed by state government under the provision of the Act. The seed thus sampled by the seed inspector is tested for physical purity and germination percentage in state seed testing laboratory under the supervision of seed analyst. Seed production is done by the registered company or corporation of which buyer feels that the seed is not to the required quality may contact the inspector for follow-up action. Then some duties of seed inspector. Inspect as frequently as may be required all places used for the growing storage or sale of any seeds of any notified kind or variety. Procure and send for analysis if necessary sample of any seeds which he has been to suspect are being produced, stocked or sale or exhibited for sale in violation of the provision of the Act or the rules. Then to investigate any complaint which may be made to him in writing in respect of any violation of the provisions of the Act or the rules. Then maintain record of all inspection made and action taken by him in the performance of his duties including the taking of samples and the seizure of stocks, and to submit copies of such records to the Director of Agriculture or the certification agency. When so authorized by the state government to detain imported containers which he has reason to suspect contain seeds the import of which is prohibited except and in accordance with the provisions of this Act and the rules. Institute of prosecution in respect of in respect of breaches of the Act and the rules, and to perform such other duties as may be entrusted to him by the competent authority from time to time or by state government. These are the duties of seed inspector. Then what are the powers of seed inspector? He can draw representative samples of any kind or variety from any person selling such seed and send them analysis to the seed analyst to enter and search any place in which he believes that an offense under this act has been committed, to examine any record, register, or document and seize them if he feels that they can furnish evidence of the commission of an offense punishable under the act. On demand, to pay the cost of seed calculated at the rate at which such seed is sold to the public. He can break open the door and premises of seed seller if the seller refuses to open the door. Search, seize the stocks and records, and he can investigate any complaint made to him in writing. These are the powers of seed inspector. Then some offences of seed act and penalties. If the seed lot is found to be substandard, legal action can be initiated against the seller. Legal proceeding can be initiated in court of law for selling substandard seed on conviction a fine up to rupees 500 can be imposed to the default. If a same crime is committed for second time in second convictions, the penalty may extended up to 6 months imprisonment or fine up to rupees 1000 or both. Then forfeiting of property. When any person has been convicted under the act or the rules, the seed in respect of which the contravention has been committed may be forfeited to the government. Then offences by companies. When an offence is committed by a company, every person who at the time of offences was committed was in charge and was responsible to the company for the conduct of the business of the company shall be liable to be proceed against and punished accordingly. These are the offences of the seed act and what are the penalties for that. Then we will see Seed Control Order 1983. In exercise of the powers conferred by the Section 3 of the Essential Commodities Act 1955, the central government hereby makes the following orders, namely, this order may be called as the Seed Control Order 1983. It extends to the whole India. It shall come into force on 30th December of 1983. Then gist of the Seed Control Order 1983. First, obtaining license by the dealer. Then application for license, grant and refusal of license. Then third one is validity period and renewal of license. Then fourth one is display of stock and price list by the dealers. And fifth one is appointment of licensing authority. And sixth is appointment of inspectors. Seventh one is time limit for analysis. Eighth one is suspension or cancellation of license. And last one is maintenance of records and submission of returns. This is the gist of Seed Control Order 1983. And this is all about Seed Act and Seed Control Order. Thank you.